Today, we're gonna be trying out this Seaskins wetsuit repair. Because I got this guy here. Never done this before, but we're gonna try it out. So the instructions, which I read most of, said to put a bead of the glue on the cut of the wetsuit. Let it dry for just a minute or two, and then pinch the cut together, clamp it there, and leave it for 24 hours. Well, I didn't do that. I wanted to find an easier way to do things, and I don't have a workbench or some crazy setup to do all that. So what I did is I just kind of stepped on one end, pulled the wetsuit apart at the rip, and covered every little area on the seam of the rip, both sides of the flap, as best as I could with the glue provided with the kit. This does take a little while and is a little hard to do and frustrating at times. But just remember that this is a suit that most likely cost you a couple $100 and is well worth the repair. So just stay patient, do the best job you can to cover all the little areas of the tear before pinching and holding it together. And as you're pinching it together, you can kind of see the two sides where you'd put the glue, the tear, and the place where it tore out of, kind of coming together. And you just kind of want to pinch and hold that there. Then I grabbed a repair patch made of the neoprene stuff, exactly the same as what came on the suit, over some of the corners of the stitching, and spread glue that comes in the Seaskins repair kit as best as I could on the back side of the patch. Stuck the patch on the tear and pressed firmly, holding the patch down. Then I found a little spot that needed some more glue, so I applied some more glue and pressed firmly some more. And that was it. This kit comes with all different types of patch sizes to repair all different types of rips and tears on all your favorite suits. It comes with everything you need except for the clamps, which I didn't end up using anyway. So that's it. The repair job is all done. So let that dry for 24 hours, and yeah, we'll see how it holds. Alright, so it has been about a week now. Been using the suit after the repair, and no issues whatsoever. Not even the slightest little bit of water gets through the patch job. So Seaskins, A+.